Domingo Cruz. Uh, Mark Domingo Cruz, Shania Kiana, Teacher May Tiburcio, and also Jeffrey Asejo, Gina Asejo. All of you are manipulatives. I am just saying, all of you are manipulatives. You know, all of you are manipulatives. Even Paulo Cruzada, I mentioned, all of you are manipulatives. You know, Shania Kiana, you are manipulative. You have no king full to J. Silva. That his girlfriend created you a what's that Facebook account. Oh, does your mother says to you, you are not very kingful? Huh? If you are kingful, you should be kingful. Like me, I've been kingful with Teacher Vincent also that he gave a Jollibee when I was in the Teacher May's class. Oh, because me, I have oppositional defiant disorder compared to Larry Chuanico. Oh, you have to be kingful. Oh, I mean, the time, I remember Teacher Ruti Barrientos, she chatted me in Messenger. Oh, I thankful to send condolence when my dog Vladimir had died also. Last 2020, oh. Even my friend, Teacher Kel, had sent me condolence, to my dog Vladimir, I say thankful. I'm very thankful to them. Oh. Even to Roylan, even to Cedric, even to Danmar, I say thankful. Oh. You know, Shania Kiana, you should be thankful. Oh. During the time when Teacher May gave me a bottle, I always to be thankful. Oh. Unlike you are not very thankful. Do you even know that Joannes Impact is criticizing you? You're not very thankful. Do you even know that Patrick Eason has criticized to you that you are not very thankful? Oh. The time, the birthday of Jens Manaid, when I was in Teacher May's class, the parents of Jens Manaid had thankful to, I just thankful to them that he gave him a food. Oh. I'm very thankful. I always thankful he get we get some, what's that, KFC, he gave it to us, among us, I'm very thankful. Oh. You are manipulative, Shania Kiana. You are not very thankful to J. Silva. Oh. That the time, I always to be thankful. I always thankful to J. Silva. And then you criticize J. because of your adoptive daughter, Lily. You're not a Marcos loyalist, Shania Kiana. Your family members are Marcos loyalist. You are a spy of Bangag. You are a spy of Bongbong Marcos. Like Bongbong Marcos, he has no thankful to Rodrigo Duterte. Oh. And he has not thankful for his legacy. Oh. When he was become a drug addict. Unlike you, Shania Kiana, are you feel yourself that you are unthankful? You're not really thankful. Oh. Your attitude, just like Mark Cruz. Your attitude, just like Paulo Cruzada. You're not very kingful. That is really no. That why does his girlfriend just went to the hospital? You bullied her. Me, I never want to bully Eskel Penumbra. During the election in 2022, I debate with Teacher Kel. I accuse her, what's that? I accuse her boyfriend, her boyfriend, named Eskel Penumbra. I told Eskel Penumbra, I said, I apologize, Eskel Penumbra. I will never do that to his girlfriend, Because if he is married, if Teacher Kel has a children, I never want to bugging them. I just let them be. I just say, I apologize to Eskel Penumbra that I bully him. But for me, I never do that to Eskel Penumbra. But you, Shania Kiana, you did it to Jerick Silva's girlfriend. Jerick Silva is just like Eskel Penumbra. Why did you do that to Jerick? Why did you even bully Jerick, and you're not very kingful? I'm just saying to you, Shania Kiana, magpasalamat ka kay Jerick. It's really unkingful. When I buy a siomai to Ate Carol, I am very kingful. I say to Nanay Emma, where's that orange cat? Where is it? I said it. I'm very kingful. Unlike you, you're not really yourself. You are kingful. You are bully. If I suggest to Roylan Marlang, unfollow Shania Kiana, even Mark Cruz. They are bullies. You know that. And you want to threaten that you want to tell my parents, Shania Kiana, you're the one who's responsible for bullying Jerick Silva's girlfriend. What about Wawel Romero? Did she bully Jerick Silva's girlfriend? No. She just learned how to respect. The time I respect Eskel Penumbra. That was a husband of Teacher Kel. I respect him. You have no respect. Even you, Mark Cruz, you don't have really respect to the birthday of Jerick Silva. Last 2024. You bash him. And by the way, Mark Cruz, Jerick Silva had filed the arrest warrant. He has arrest warrant from the Davao City Prosecutor's Office. This will be happen when Paulo Cruzada went to jail. And he was detained in, what is that? In Quezon City. Now, Mark Cruz, if the complaint affidavit had received from Jerick Silva, if his relatives were there in Metro Manila, even in Quezon, they will file against who's it? Mark Domingo Cruz, for cursing bad words. This is hard to say. When I criticize Mark Cruz and Shania Kiana, both of you are manipulatives. Even this Mark Cruz who bullied who is it? They who bullied Dan Mardayaw. Oh. Now you see Mark Cruz. All the evidence I reported to Dan Mardayaw. Oh, for mentioning Divina Dili and especially Rene Bartebonia. This is very nice to mentioning dropping those names. Mark Cruz, huh? You know, Mark Cruz, you should learn how to be ashamed of yourself. You should never be friends with Roylan. Oh, Roylan Marlang is a fan of Ateneo. Oh, compared to Teacher May. Oh, because you know, I just chat with Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, she asking me, oh, why does Mark Cruz mentioning about Divina Dili and Rene Bartebonia? Because this guy, he just mentioning that name and he forced me to drown in a drop off. And he wants to be that I want to die, or he wants to be like, I just want to be like Rene Bartebonia and even Divina Dili. Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself. You are the perpetrator for bullying J. Rick Silva during his birthday. Oh, if J. Rick Silva talked to Rene Bartebonia's friends, oh, even the family members in Davao City, they will beaten you, Mark Cruz. Not only Divina Dili, that Nigerian, they will beaten you. Oh, the family of Divina Dili. You know, Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself. You know, for Shania Kiana and Mark Cruz, both of you should be ashamed.